Dev, tell me your story.
Okay. So I'm in my final year of college now, and I'll be graduating in another 6 months. Now, with today's ever-evolving tech landscape, I sort of fell into this hole of not knowing myself, not knowing what to do, and not knowing where the world is headed a few years from now, whether it's AI, whether it's some traditional industries that I should look at. So I was very, very confused. So I started traveling. I went to Mussoorie, and there's this hidden village in Mussoorie known as Corn Village. So I was at this restaurant owned by a Canadian lady, and she makes wonderful pies, by the way. But the point is, there I met someone, and he was from Kerala. He used to be a big-time corporate employee, and he was doing his job in the UK. After his father passed away, he left his job in the UK and he came back to India. He started traveling. He ended up at the same village where he found out that there is a school, and he told me that he was feeling very low because after his father had gone, things just weren't the same for him. So he told me he found his purpose by teaching students in that school, and he told me even the very basic things that we take for granted, like maybe assembling a computer or setting up a software, those things are valued incredibly at that place, in such places. So he was able to find a reason, a purpose to live. And now he's staying there, he's volunteering part-time, and he has also launched a startup which is in the AI space. So he works remotely along with his colleague who is also an ex-Google employee, and they've developed some of the AI tools that the rest of the world uses. So that's what they're doing now.
It's so incredible, isn't it? आपको ट्रैवल करना है, आपको ट्रैवल करने से कितना मेरे ख्याल से एक्सपोजर मिलता है, आपका होराइजन सोचने का बड़ा हो जाता है। और जैसे आपने कहा कि ट्रेडिशनल वे जो आपके पेरेंट्स सोचते हैं कि यही जॉब करनी है, ऐसे इनकम आनी है, उसके बहुत और भी तरीके हैं, isn't it? You were telling,
Absolutely. So yeah, that's what I feel.
कि सिर्फ यही नहीं है कि आपने पढ़ाई की, जॉब की, and this is the traditional startups है, उसने NGO से शुरू किया, and you also, when you were feeling low, you also traveled and you also got inspired from his story. So
exactly, it's all about traveling, meeting people, and not being afraid of saying hi to them and just trying to understand their story.
Yeah,
that's it.
It's good. It's really good.